Northland Pioneer College is pleased to announce the grand opening of the new Skilled Trade Center at the Sholo campus. The new Skills Center houses programs that lead to essential jobs in our communities. Each day, as many as 200 students will use the new 28,000 square foot facility to learn valuable hands-on skills in automotive, welding, and energy and industrial technology. The new state-of-the-art Skills Center will allow students to stay up to date on the latest technologies, including renewable energy and hybrid and electric vehicles. NPC welcomes the public to an open house event on Tuesday, October 17th, beginning at 1 o'clock p.m. at NPC's new Skills Center, located at 1001 West Deuce of Clubs, directly across from the Sholo City Park. Tours and demonstrations will be held. NPC is shaping and strengthening communities across Northeast Arizona. Come see how. Learn more at www.npc.edu.